How are you? Chef Ivan Flowers, and we're going to talk about a seafood aioli, a seafood mayonnaise. This is a very, very good recipe. I'm very happy to share this with you. We're actually using a mayo that you can buy as your base. You can make your own mayo, but that's kind of another episode. So go out and get your favorite mayo. Okay, we're going to use this as a base, about 2 tablespoons. Now, what I'm going to add to this is mussel jus. If you don't have mussel jus from making fresh mussels, just get a little clam juice. Make sure it's lower salt. And I'm just going to go in just with a touch of the mussel jus. I'm going to add a little bit of Old Bay, just a pinch, just a touch. A little bit of saffron, again, very, very small amount, just a touch. Worcestershire sauce gives a nice, almost smoky flavor. Sweet chili, about a half a tablespoon. And then this is lemon zest puree. Ask your grocer to order it. They usually have it in the frozen section. It's the zest, and they puree it. It's magnificent. It's very strong, so you want to use a small amount. So I'm going to use about 1/4 teaspoon. A little bit of salt, because remember, Worcestershire sauce is not salty. Most people think it is. A little bit of pepper. And we're just going to give it a nice little mix. Just kind of keep folding it in. And you just get this creamy, slightly spicy, citrusy aioli that is incredible with seafood. What we have here is we have a little bit of ahi tuna, hamachi, green lip mussels, and some mazzalan prawns. And if you're doing it as a little app, I like to go to the side. Go to the side. And a little in the back. And then people can just kind of dip as they go. So there you have it, a very simple yet complex seafood aioli. And if you wanted to put it on a pork chop, God bless you, nobody's going to say anything. So enjoy it.